So here we are, right near the marketplace, kind of the public market. In Barceloneta. Yeah, come over here. Yeah. So every neighborhood, almost every neighborhood has their own marketplace. So this one here is the Barceloneta neighborhoods market. So let's see what they have. So one thing to keep in mind on all the marketplaces in Barceloneta or Barcelona is that on Mondays, generally speaking, the seafood vendors are closed because, you know, they only sell fresh seafood. So Sundays, the fishermen don't go. They take Sundays seriously here. So it's a day of rest, hence no fresh seafood on Mondays. This particular market is not a touristy market, unlike some of them in Barcelona. Those are wonderful peppers here that they fry up. I love that. My wife and I love that. Wow, look at that. Ah, muy fresca.
Comencem? Vale, perquè si m'emporto això sencer, més queda creu o no? No, és el mateix.
Couldn't help. I was at the market hall and I couldn't help it, but I bought some fresh shrimp. These are some local Spanish shrimps, and as you can see, they are still moving. And the little black area, those are the eggs.
Do not touch it.
Oh, it's okay. You can touch it. They're not gonna bite. What? Well, actually, they might bite. They've got little claws. Look at that.
Daddy,
so I am gonna try pan frying them in a little bit of olive oil, and then serve it, saute it, and then serve it with olive oil and a little bit of salt.
I would not want to touch it.
It's okay.
I was scared. Oh, look, Daddy. Daddy, look.
That's okay.
Hello, shrimp.
Well, I'm gonna warm up the pan, a little olive oil. Ooh, first time I've tried this induction oven or stove, so we'll see. Never used one of these guys before.
I just touched it.
Well, let's see how it goes. Okay.
That will be scary, burning a shrimp. Oh, look, Don, look at Daddy at us.
Yeah.
You could dump it in there.
Yeah.
It might be scary.
Let's see. Hopefully they don't splash everywhere.
That? It's moving. Oh, it just jumped around. One piece jumped.
Yeah, usually I'd want to grill it, but I don't have a grill with me.
Okay, they're already almost dead by now. Dead egg, I'm gonna push you, dead egg. Oh, there's juice in the eggs. I'm trying to smush them.
Some juicy eggs.
Yeah, I guess there's no, like, ones that have something in them. They're supposed to have shrimp.
See the white here? That's the fat. That's the yummy part of the. That's a good sign. That's a good thing. the shrimp fat right there, the white stuff coming out. Just oozing out of the body. That is good. That's gonna be a moist. So what you do, step one, twist the head. Oh, look at that goodie. Mmm. Wow. Fresh. How do we get this part out? I got the egg too, look at that. That's the roe or the caviar or the egg, whatever you want to call it. Let's try that out. Mmm, kind of crunchy. It's a hands-on dish. Let's see, how do we get the meat out? Voila. Mmm, crunchy. A lot of flavor. Just olive oil and salt. Oh, a little caviar. Try this big sucker here. Look at the claws. It's the claws. Try this out. Lots of heady goodness here. Wasn't cheap. It was about 35 euros a kilo. So I bought 5 shrimp heads or shrimps. That came out to be about 8 euros or so, 8 euros and change. But you know, you only live once. That was really good.